This video shows you how to replace a Moen kitchen faucet spout with a universal one that is easy to find and cost less. The old spout started to leak after 13 years of service. The one from Homedepot works, but it does not fit so tightly into the seat. It needs a cup like the one on the old spout. So we need to remove a plastic cup from the old spout. We use a saw to make a round cut on the old spout. To remove the cup from the old spout, then we mount the cup onto the new spout. Now it fits perfectly well. Nice to have a dry and clean cab back. Thank you for watching.